Welcome viewers. Excel inbuilt function len is stands for length and its use and examples. This function is under category of text. You can find it under the tab of formulas, the category of texts. Under the category you can find this. It counts the number of characters present in the string or a given string in the form of text. The syntax of len is len with the text, and if you give the argument len, you can type directly len, and Excel prompts for the length syntax. So you click this, it is asking the text where the parameter or argument which is placed in this column, and close the bracket and enter. It gives you number of characters or 7. It returns the in the number of strings, but if you see in the second example it shows that it is 12. In physical, if you count the total number, it is 10, but it shows 11. Sorry, it is 11, and it is showing the result. Output result is 12. The reason it counts including spaces, so the result will be 12. And the third example number 3, it gives the number of 4 characters and the space including it is 5. It confirms that. And in example number 4, in the text is sometimes you can give the text as a numbers also, but it counts as a text and it gives the number of characters present in that string. And the text argument you can give even numbers or a alphabet, alphanumerical, or a combination of anything. It counts the number of parameters. Then it counts each character, whether the single byte or double byte, one, or no matter what is the default language setting is, but it counts the number of numbers. Okay, this is very much useful when used with other examples. Every time we should know what is the string length. From there, how many characters we have to add or subtract in other applications. We'll discuss in the further tutorials. Thank you very much.